Are you ready to turn your home into the ultimate game room? Take a Break Spas and Billiards has you covered with everything you need to get off the phone and bring the fun home. We have 7 different high-quality brands to buy from. We have Olhausen, Brunswick, Imperial, Presidential, American Heritage, Rasson, and Valley. Whether you're a casual player or serious about your game, we have the perfect pool table for everyone. Every one of our pool tables is a genuine slate pool table built for premium performance, and they come with cloth and a player's kit. So it's ready to go when it arrives. But we don't stop there. We're the best at game rooms because we've got it all. We got shuffleboard, air hockey, foosball, ping pong, and classic arcade games like skee ball, basketball, pinball, and arcade games with every arcade game you can think of, with units having up to 3,500 games per unit. We have top brands in the arcade space as well, like Ice Games, Baytech, and Valley Dynamo. Like this Dynamo table, its quality is unmatched, so it's in all the real arcades out there. Need the right accessories? We've got you covered. We've got cues ranging from the fun and flashy to the professional in quality. And we have every other accessory that you would need to get your pool table going. Explore a wide range of game room options and turn every night into game night. Visit us today at Take a Break Spas and Billiards, and let's get your game room started. It's time to take a break.